Drinks for high blood pressure. 1. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is not just a refreshing drink, especially for those with high blood pressure. Rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, hibiscus tea can help lower blood pressure levels. Studies have shown that consuming hibiscus tea can reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. To prepare, steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy either hot or cold. 2. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is a potent source of antioxidants and bioactive polyphenols, which contribute to its heart-healthy properties. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice has been linked to reduced blood pressure levels. It works by improving the function of the inner lining of blood vessels and promoting better blood flow. 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is renowned for its high nitrate content, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps to relax and dilate blood vessels, thereby lowering blood pressure. Studies indicate that drinking beetroot juice can lead to a significant reduction in blood pressure, both systolic and diastolic. Consume fresh beetroot juice made from raw beets. 4. Green tea. Green tea is another excellent beverage for managing blood pressure. It contains flavonoids which have been shown to improve cardiovascular health by relaxing blood vessels and reducing inflammation. Regular consumption of green tea has been associated with a modest reduction in blood pressure. 5. Low-fat milk. Low-fat milk is rich in calcium and vitamin D, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. These nutrients work together to help the blood vessels function properly and reduce the risk of hypertension. Choose low-fat or skim milk to avoid the additional saturated fats that come with whole milk. Write to me in a comment if you suffer from high blood pressure. Do you drink other drinks? I wish you health and wellness.